it's Olivia. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a chocolate mayonnaise cake. Your first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to come over to your mixing bowl and you want to add 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. Make sure that you add in each egg one at a time so the consistency of the batter will stay normal. And 1 cup of water, but we're going to add the second egg in once we mix it, and then we'll add the egg in and then we'll mix it again. Once all your ingredients are in your mixing bowl, then you're going to take your mixer and put it on the lowest setting so flour doesn't shoot out all over you. And you're going to let that mix for a little bit until you see that the egg yolk has broken and is gone. Then I'm going to add in my second egg and let that mix in until it is dark and chocolate and smooth and with liquid. Now all my ingredients are mixed in together, so I'm going to add my 1 cup of mayonnaise. Make sure you use Hellmann's, because if you use Miracle Whip, in the middle of the cake will sink and break apart, and it just won't be a cake, it'll just be
Now that my mayonnaise is in my mixing bowl with all my other ingredients, you're going to put it on the lowest setting so it can mix.
Now that my ingredients are in my 9x13 pan, I'm going to put it in the oven that was set for 350 degrees. So my pan is in, and now I'm going to set a timer for 35 to 40 minutes. It's been 35 minutes and it's time to check my cake. To check your cake, you'll use a toothpick and you'll stick it in the middle of the cake and pull it out. See, there's no crumbs on my toothpick. That means my cake is done.
Hi guys, now that your cake is cooled, we're going to make your chocolate frosting. Your first step is to get a large pot and put it on your stove top. Then make sure you have a spatula handy because you'll need it. Then measure out 1.5 cups of sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Now, your first step is to turn your pot onto low. Now, add your 1.5 cups of sugar. Then, add your 6 tablespoons of butter. Now, add your 6 tablespoons of milk. Now, you're going to want to mix it up so that it starts to form. Keep stirring your frosting until it comes to a boil. Now that my frosting is boiling, I'm going to add in my 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Stir those in until they melt. Now that my chocolate chips are melted, I'm going to take my pot and put it in a bowl of ice water. Or just cold water will work too. And you're going to keep stirring it until it starts to stiffen, and then you need to put it on your cake.
Now that my frosting is on my cake, you need to make sure you spread out your frosting evenly. Get in every corner and in every crack. Now that my frosting is spread out evenly, your cake is done. Thanks for making my chocolate mayonnaise cake with me. Bye!